Now we can do exercise 17b, question number 10, last question of 17b. In the given figure, BD is a side of a regular hexagon, DC is a side of a regular pentagon and AD is a diameter. Calculate first one ADC, second one BDA, third angle ABC, fourth angle AEC. Given BD is a side of a regular hexagon, DC is a side of a regular pentagon, also given AD is a diameter. So join OB, OC and BC. Since BD is the side of a regular hexagon, angle BOD will be 360 divided by 6, so it is equal to 60 degree. Angle BOD will be 60 degree. This angle will be 60 degree. Next step. Also given DC is the side of a regular pentagon. So pentagon means 5-sided figure. So DOC will be 360 divided by 5. This will be 72 degree. 360 divided by 5, 72 degree. Next step. OB and OC are the radii of the circle. O is the center of the circle given. No? So OB and OC are the radii of circle. So angle opposite to that particular side OB is angle BDO. OB opposite angle is BDO. And angle opposite to OD is which one? OB and OD are equal. So angle opposite to OB is OD and angle opposite to OD is angle B. So these two angles will be equal. We know sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is, we can write, if we are considering triangle BDO, this triangle we are considering angle B plus angle D plus angle O is equal to 180 degree. We have 60 degree here. So 60 plus angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. So look at here, angle BOD plus angle BDO, this angle plus angle OBD, that is angle B is equal to 180 degree. So substitute angle O as 60 degree. So 60 plus angle BDO plus angle OBD is equal to 180 degree. So BDO plus OBD will be 180 minus 60, that is these two sum will be 120 degree. We have what? BDO is equal to OBD, that is BDO and OBD, both angles are same. Why? Because OB and OD are the radius. So angle opposite to that particular side will be equal. So these two angles will be equal. So sum of these two is 120 means sum of these two angles is 120. Sum of these two is 120. So this angle will be 60 degree and this angle will be 60 degree since these two angles are equal. Same as the first triangle OBD, we can consider the triangle ODC. OD and OC are the radii of the circle. So opposite of OC, angle opposite to of OC is ODC. This angle will be equal to OCD. So these two angles will be equal. These two angles will be equal. We know sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So this angle 72 plus C plus D is equal to 180 degree. So look at here, consider triangle OCD, ODC, this angle plus OCD, this angle plus DOC is equal to 180 degree. We know DOC is 72. So replace that as 72. ODC plus OCD plus 72 is equal to 180. So sum of these two angles is 180 minus 72 is equal to 108 degree. We know since these two are equal, these two angles will be equal. That is ODC and OCD are equal. So sum is 108. Sum we got it as angle D plus angle C we got it as 108. So what about angle D? That will be 108 divided by 2, which is equal to 54. So this angle will be 54 degree and this also will be 54 degree. That is OCD is equal to 54 degree and ODC also will be 54 degree. So ODC is 54. We can write ADC also as 54 degree. That is ODC is same as what? ADC. So both will be 54 degree. So ADC is 54 degree. That is our first part. Since BDO is equal to 60 degree, we already proved. Same as this ODC case. ODC, instead of ODC we wrote it as ADC. Same case we can apply here. BDO is 60 degree. We can write BDA. BDA also will be 60 degree. Then consider the straight line AOD. The sum will be 180 degree. That is sum of angle DOC plus angle AOC will be 180 degree since it is a straight line. So that is this full angle will be 180 degree. Up to this DOC we got it as 72 degree. So what about this remaining angle AOC? AOC will be 180 minus 72, which is equal to 108 degree. AOC is equal to 108 degree. AOC is the central angle. So look at ABC. AOC lies in the segment AC. Look at ABC. AOC is a central angle. So what about ABC? ABC will be 108 divided by 2, which is equal to 54 degree. So this angle B will be 108 divided by 2, which is equal to 54 degree. Okay. Next, consider the cyclic quadrilateral AECD. AECD. So angle opposite to E, that is we want to find out angle AEC. This angle we want to find out. So consider the opposite angle of angle AEC, which will be this angle D will be the opposite of angle E. We have angle D, that is angle ADC is 54 degree. We know using the property of a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So this angle D plus angle E will be 180 degree. We have D as 54 degree. So what about angle E? Angle E will be 180 minus 54, that is equal to 126. 180 minus this angle 54, which is equal to 126 degree. Okay, so now we got angle E, that is angle AEC is equal to 126 degree. That only we want to prove. So look at this. Angle AEC plus steps angle AEC plus angle ADC is equal to 180 degree. So AEC is what? AEC we want to find out, and AD is what? ADC is 54. So AEC plus 54 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle AEC is equal to 180 minus 54 is AEC is equal to 126 degree. Okay. So first we want to prove angle ADC. ADC we got it as 54 degree. Second one we want to prove it as angle BDA. BDA we got as 60 degree. Third is angle ABC. That value we got as 54 degree. And the final one is angle AEC, which is equal to 126 degree. So we are winding up 17B. Okay, next we can start 17C. Okay, thank you.